name is Hailey Bennett and I am a staff engineer at Intelligent Concrete. And I just wanted to pop on to share some very exciting news. I am getting ready to apply to take the LEED certification. I still have to go through all the courses. There's plenty of prep work that I have to do, but I figured why not take you along on my journey. And so the next few weeks or months of Sustainability Saturday will be my LEED journey. And if you have any questions, any requests, be sure to send them to us. You can DM them, you can comment on our YouTube videos. We love to hear from you. So thanks so much for watching, and as always, go concrete, beat asphalt.